Hello everyone, welcome to this episode of UnboxID. I'm your host, Astley, aka The Designer. We're here today at the AZ building, the Furniture Boutique. The Furniture Boutique focuses on furniture specifically in the living and dining area. They offer a wide variety in terms of customization for space saving and storage solution. The furnitures offer more than one specific purpose. Quite literally, these furnitures are transformers. Let me show you what I mean. Most furniture retail shops offer a what you see is what you get kind of approach. But at the Furniture Boutique, they offer a different unique experience. They allow customization for all sorts of elements like, for example, color schemes, materiality, sizings, as well as storage solutions, making the Furniture Boutique a complete customizable retail experience. Expandable dining tables are basically space-saving solutions that allows for different type of configurations for your home. From a 4-seater, it can expand to a 6-seater. This allows for different type of configuration. And they have a wide variety of colors and materiality. Therefore, you will be spoiled for choice. Working from home has become the norm, and getting an adjustable table has become all the rage. At the Furniture Boutique, they've also carried a brand of adjustable table called the One Desk. You can also add on accessories like a power bar, cup holder, air dividers, anything that you can dream of, they can customize it. If you're in the market looking for furniture for your new home, why don't you hop on down to AZ Building and look for the Furniture Boutique and truly experience this customizable retail experience. Trust me, you'll be pleasantly surprised.